So we have already seen so many things about the Pixel 7 Pro and it is really exciting. Now regardless of how you look at it, like it's a very minor of an upgrade over the Pixel 6 Pro, but hey, it is still a very good Google phone. Now the Pixel 7 Pro, in terms of look, we have seen it will look almost identical to the Pixel 6 Pro from the front, but there is gonna be a big change in the rear. More specifically the color options and also the camera bar, which will actually be connected to the metal frame itself. So that's actually good. And this design also has the Pixel camera bar at the back, so it is distinctively Pixel. But at the same time, it is much more premium and refined design over the Pixel 6 Pro, which is already a very attractive phone. Now, in terms of specs, if you're asking, recently a leaker, Yogesh Barar, actually leaked almost everything. So first and foremost thing is, it will have 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate support. Now this is identical to the Pixel 6 Pro. But whether it will have the LTPO 2.0 or 1.0, that might be a differentiating factor. And I'm wishing that Google will choose the LTPO 2.0. So if you don't know about the LTPO technology, let me tell you. So the LTPO technology usually allows the display to switch its refresh rate from 120Hz to 10Hz, depending on the content of the display. Now the LTPO 2.0 display technology can allow the display to switch its refresh rate to at the very least 1 Hz, which does mean like it is crazy battery efficient. And if that is what Google is putting inside the Pixel 7 Pro, I will be really happy. Now, as for the processor, Google will come with Tensor 2nd generation processor. Now, if you are thinking that this processor will have very little upgrades in terms of CPU over the Tensor 1st gen, and that might be disappointing to you, but do keep this in mind. Tensor chip is mostly all about the AI workloads and mostly about this AI capabilities than the CPU power or the raw GPU power. But still, GPU will see an upgrade and CPU will see an upgrade, but not that much. So the Tensor G2, which is internally known as GS201, will have 2 Cortex X1 core, just like the Tensor 1st generation chipset, 2 prime cores, that is good, and 2 high performance cores as Cortex A76 cores, not the A78, which is the new generation one. And it will have 4 high efficiency Cortex A55 cores to handle the smaller, lighter task every day. Now, on the Geekbench, the G2 powered Pixel 7 Pro achieved about 10% higher multi-core score than the Pixel 6 Pro, which suggests there is a performance improvement, at least somewhat. But the Tensor 2nd generation chipset is based on the 4nm process node, which is actually gonna make it more powerful and much more efficient than the 1st generation one. The Tensor G2 will also feature Mali G710 GPU, which is said to be like 20% faster and 20% more power efficient than the original Tensor's Mali G78 GPU. The next one is it will also feature the Titan security to handle all those security related features like the fingerprint scanner and all those stuff. At the same time, it will have 50 megapixel main camera, 14 megapixel teleporter camera, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter, just like the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, if you're asking, the sensors actually haven't changed at all. The only thing you will see, as I said, is an NPU upgrade and ISP upgrade that will make it more better than it already is, which is actually really good considering Pixels really take great photos. At the front, there will be an 11 megapixel single front facing camera, and as for the RAM, well, it will have 12GB of RAM because it's a Pro device, but the storage configuration is somewhat not so pro. It's 128GB and 256GB. There is no 512GB variant at all. And as for the software, Android 13, we're not going to talk about that. 5000 mAh battery, 30 watt fast charging. Hopefully this time it will be much more efficient charging. And wireless charging is also going to be there. But the speed is still unknown. We will keep an eye on that. Subscribe this channel for that. Anyway, that's all the leaks for today. Now the big question. Will the Pixel 7 Pro will have a good price tag? Will it be affordable? There are so many things that are leaked already about the price and the gift cards. So many things. You need to check out that video. So before the outro, here is a Gate Series 2 wallpaper pack. This wallpaper pack contains total of 14 8K wallpapers custom made for your desktops, tablets, laptops and your modern smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to get a discounted price, or you can simply visit my website joindavid.com/wallpapers to get more discounts. And not just that, you're also going to find a lot more tech news and stuff much faster than these videos on the website. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.